Did you ever wonder why some people seem to make money so easily, while others are always on the edge, struggling to make ends meet? It's not about luck. It's not about being born into money. The truth is, there's a simple and powerful secret that rich people know. It's not a magic formula. It's not a trick. And here's the good part. You can learn it too. This secret comes down to mindset, because the way you think about money changes the way you use it. It's the way you earn it, and ultimately the way you live your life. The problem: your mindset reflects your earning potential. If you constantly believe money is hard to get, you'll unconsciously make choices that keep it that way. For example, you might stick with a low-paying job because you think it's the best you'll ever get. Or you might avoid learning about investing because you've convinced yourself that's only for rich people. Meanwhile, people with a growth mindset think differently. They see money as something that flows, not something that's limited. They see opportunities everywhere, even when others see risks. Think of two people starting with the same $1,000. One says, "This is all I've got. I need to hold on to it." The other says, "How can I use this $1,000 to make more money?" The first person stays stuck. The second person starts growing. Secret number one: money is a tool, not an enemy. Most people treat money as the final destination. Like, if I just had $100,000 or $1 million, all my problems would go away. But the wealthy don't think this way. They see money as a tool, not the finish line. Think of money like a hammer. It's useless if it just sits there, but if you know how to use it, you can build anything. When you see money as a tool, you stop obsessing over having more of it, and instead ask, how can this money help me achieve what I really want? For example, if your goal is freedom, money can buy you time back by outsourcing chores or paying for services. If your goal is opportunity, money can be invested into a course, a side hustle, or even marketing your business. If your goal is peace of mind, money can go into savings, giving you security during tough times. People who fear money or think it's evil often push it away without realizing it. But those who see it as neutral, a tool like electricity or the internet, can use it to build freedom and impact. Secret number two: time is more valuable than money. Here's a fact: you can always lose money and earn it back. But time, once it's gone forever. This is why rich people treat time differently than most. They don't waste it. They don't trade it cheaply. They actually buy time. How? By delegating. Instead of mowing the lawn for 2 hours, they might pay someone $30 to do it, and use those 2 hours to work on a project that makes them $300. By creating systems. For example, instead of manually handling every sale, they set up online stores or automations that run nonstop. By investing, their money works for them while they sleep, instead of them working for money. Meanwhile, many people do the opposite. They sell their time hour by hour for wages. That's fine to start, but if you never escape it, you'll always be stuck. Ask yourself, how can I earn more while working less? How can I make money work for me instead of me working for money? Even small steps count. For example, if you start freelancing online, building a digital product, or learning how to invest, that's time buying freedom in the future. Secret number three: invest in yourself. This is the one secret that rich people never stop doing. They constantly invest in themselves. Why? Because unlike stocks or real estate, your skills and knowledge never lose value. In fact, they compound. A new skill today can earn you more money every year for the rest of your life. Think of it like this: if you buy a car, it loses value the second you drive it off the lot. But if you buy a course on communication or coding, that knowledge can bring you more opportunities for decades. Investing in yourself doesn't just mean formal education. It can be reading books that shift your mindset, taking online courses to learn in-demand skills, improving your health so you have the energy to perform better, networking with the right people who can open doors for you. One small example: let's say you learn public speaking. That one skill could help you in job interviews, sales pitches, leadership roles, and even creating YouTube videos. That's a lifelong return on one investment. Steps to improve your mindset: gratitude. When you focus on what you do have, you stop thinking from a place of scarcity. Gratitude keeps you from saying, "I'll never have enough," and pushes you to ask, "How can I use what I already have to grow?" Even writing 3 things you're thankful for daily rewires your brain for abundance. Learn daily. Just like money compounds, knowledge compounds too. Reading 10 pages a day doesn't feel like much, but over a year, that's 3,650 pages. That's like 10 plus books that could completely change your perspective. Ask for help. Don't try to do it all alone. Seek advice from mentors, successful people, or even online communities. Someone who's already walked the path you're on can save you years of mistakes. Remember, criticism from people who never built anything isn't worth much, but wisdom from those who've done it is priceless. So here's the biggest secret. Rich people don't just earn money differently, they think about money differently. They know money's a tool, they know time is priceless, and they know the best investment is always in themselves. If you apply even one of these secrets, your financial life will start to shift. If you apply all three, you'll be unstoppable. If this video gave you something valuable, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments, which of these 3 secrets do you feel you need to focus on right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.